Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Wednesday, February 28th. I meant to get a video out yesterday, but I got home and I had no internet, so I was not able to do anything when I got home last night. Anyway, gang, the week started out, well, nothing short of just being rough. And, one thing that I've learned in my years of trading is reversion to the mean is a real thing. And what I mean by that is, if your trading system is trading much higher than it historically does from a percentage standpoint, so if I typically win, say, 25% of my trades and I'm now winning 35%, I'm going to revert to the mean, which means I'm going to have a handful of losers. And vice versa. If I'm trading well below my average, then I should expect a streak of winners. Well, the last week wasn't that great, but the week before that and the week before that, if we look at them, actually let's just pull up a sheet. So you can see typically I'm trading around the 22-23% range, right? So this week and this week, they actually, at one point during the week, they were over 30%. They reverted back down, but still above my average, right? If you look at this week right here, it's kind of an outlier, right? Look at the next week after, 18%. So below, right? 31%, then back down. Now, both of these weeks were above average, and then this week, which was last week, was below average. Gang, this week, between losing 12 and winning 1 on Monday, on Tuesday, I started out pretty rough. So I lost my first 10 trades on Tuesday. So at one point this week, guys, I was 22 losses and 1 win. Now, I want you guys to just sit back for a second. And I want you to envision yourself trading a system. You just lost 22 trades and you've had 1 winner. How are you feeling right now? Be honest, it's okay. Rough, right? I mean, you can feel it. So, yesterday, the day actually ended slightly in the hole. Okay, it was just barely. But if I had stopped trading, I would have ended in the hole significantly. And then today, gang, today was a killer day with 18 losses and 7 wins. Now, that day, today, is enough to bring the system back closer to its average. And, more importantly, bringing it positive for the week. Now, NinjaTrader actually was the same. Now they're pretty close to being in a line, right? And guys, I had a question. I need to get, I'm just going to do it right now. This is all screwed up. You know what? Why is that doing that? All right, hold on one second here. The reason these numbers aren't, if you guys remember, I mentioned these numbers are not accurate. Well, it's because I changed time frames to mimic Thinkorswim. So these numbers, they're just not right. And I have not had the time to go back through and retest, okay? So you're just going to bear with me for now. And I want to give a quick update on the code. I'm going to have to reformat that. Okay. Okay. Guys, the code's coming along nicely. I'm working on some order automation, which I got the first version back of it today. It's not quite ready. Also, my site It's been really slow going, but I'm glad I'm doing it the way I am, because now I actually know what the hell I'm doing. So that's getting close. Just bear with me, guys. It will get out there. You guys aren't missing anything right now. It's been a tough past couple weeks. So let's see, what else do I want to cover tonight? Other than reversion to the mean is a real thing, don't give up on your system, right? Trust your numbers. If you've done your homework, trust your numbers. Too many people quit and give up. Okay, I mentioned forex, guys. Forex had a bit of a rough streak, and then all of a sudden I had this trade on the Swiss yen that I was waiting to hit target. It finally hit target, so that brought me back up a little bit. And then all of a sudden, look at this. The dollar yen had a nice long. You can see I'm inside of the daily buy zone. Had a nice long here for target, and now it's actually short. So the target on this trade is around 106.30. So if this one hits, guys, I'm right back to where I was. And maybe tomorrow I'm going to spend some time analyzing the forex system a little bit. Now I'm getting a decent amount of trades in here. There's some interesting things kind of taking shape, and I want to share that with you guys. So I appreciate your patience, and hang in there, gang. I'm getting close. For those of you who haven't signed up yet, guys, get on the email list. Go to www.tradebythenumbers.com and get signed up. I'm going to get this stuff out to you guys here soon. All right, gang. I'll talk to you later.